how to get best JD Sports discount promo codes in 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have to open a new web browser tab, and then you just have to simply type JD Sports discount promo codes and click on enter, and then you can get multiple links from here, and you just have to simply open one or two of them. And if we go to the coupon follow.com, you can see extra 20% off sale items, new customers save 10%, 50 up to 50% off. So you just have to simply click on the see coupon, and as you can see, you have to click on the continue to this offer, and it will redirect you to the JD Sports official website, and it will automatically add the promo code to your purchasing dashboard, and you can just click on purchase, and you can redeem the 50% off discount. And you have to check for every one of them, or you can just check 5 or 6 of them. One or two will work with you. So if you go to the other website, you can see 10%, $15 off, $10 off, 20% off. You just have to simply click on the view code, and the rest of the process is the same. You just have to simply click on copy or click on shop at jdsports.com. It will redirect you to the JD Sports official website and automatically add the discount or promo code to your account, and you can just redeem your discount or promo while purchasing a new item with JD Sports. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.